We chose Tuscany because we like to be somewhere that's beautiful, that has delicious wine, delicious food. We could choose a few different places that we wanted to go to. My partner John and I have decided to spend the weekend in Siena.
So I was born in Tuscany, near Siena. That's where I live and that's where I grew up. I think that the essence of this route is the great variety of landscapes. The beautiful rolling hills, cypress trees, hilltop towns, really amazing views.
Comfort Holidays have a local representative. He's been really responsive to us. If there is anything that we need, that we can reach out to Daniele and he'll help.
Il Cocco is one of the smaller wineries that you can find in Montalcino that is into my family since 5 generations, and one of the most important wines in Italy is the Brunello, where we have to use 100% Sangiovese and is well known for its long shelf life.
Lavoro a Pienza, in una città famosa nel mondo, e faccio ceramica da 35 anni. L'attività della ceramica è fiorente in Pienza perché proprio abbiamo la materia prima, la natura ci offre la materia prima, l'argilla con la quale si crea la terracotta che poi viene smaltata e dipinta per far sì che diventi ceramica. La mia creatività è ispirata dal paesaggio. Io sono nata proprio qui, la mia casa si affaccia alla Val d'Orcia e così anche il mio laboratorio.
We are between San Quirico d'Orcia and Pienza. The Orcia Valley is an incredible place for biodiversity. Along these trails you can observe a lot of nature. Wild boars, of course, like in old Tuscany, but also roe deer, badgers and porcupines.
Bagno Vignoni comes back the Middle Age, but probably also before, in the Etruscan period. It's very famous for its main square, which is full of thermal water, thanks to the volcano of the Monte Miata. So a very good place to stop, to relax and to have the bath. We opened the locanda in 2000. The building comes back the 14th century. We are very happy because we can host people from all over the world.
Tuscany has long been one I wanted to see, particularly the vines, the olives, but also the rolling beauty of it. I was looking for something I could manage on a budget, including the amount of time I had available.
L'Osteria del Conte propone una cucina toscana, una cucina regionale e locale. Dalla mamma, che ha oltre 80 anni, è la capostipite, e anche le altre cuoche sono tutte cuoche toscane, perciò la cucina è autentica. Il piatto che contraddistingue l'Osteria del Conte è un primo piatto e sono i pisci. Vi aspettiamo all'Osteria del Conte con una cena toscana sul tramonto, che è molto bello, un buon bicchiere di vino abbinato ai nostri piatti locali.
You will have the chance to try some of the best red wines of Italy, the Brunello di Montalcino or the Nobile di Montepulciano. Together with the wines, you can try some of the best dishes of Tuscany, for example, pici, pecorino, sheep cheese, cold cuts, and other wonderful flavors. I look forward to welcome you to Tuscany and possibly meeting you in one of the stages of the route.